May peace be upon you all, brothers and sisters of all ages. Everything in creation produces sound, a divine language woven into the fabric of existence. Sound carries the energy of life itself, from the beating of our hearts to the vibration of the cosmos. When these sounds are visualized, they form beautiful geometric patterns, revealing a hidden order beneath the surface of reality. Now, consider the bee, a small creature with a profound purpose. In the Quran, Allah dedicates a chapter to the bee, Surah An-Nahl. Allah tells us that bees were divinely inspired to build their hives and collect sustenance from the earth. Your Lord inspired the bee, saying, "Build your hives in the mountains, in the trees, and in what they construct. Then feed from all the fruits and follow the ways of your Lord made easy for you. There comes forth from their bellies a drink of varying colors, wherein is healing for mankind. Surely in this is a sign for people who reflect." The bee, through its mere existence, reflects a miraculous design. The sound of their buzzing holds secrets of creation itself. Now let us observe the sound of the hive, translated into a visual form. As the bees move and vibrate, their hum creates intricate geometric shapes, reflecting the divine order that governs all living things. Look at this incredible pattern. The bees, through their natural sound, are creating a form of geometry. These shapes are not random. They are the manifestation of sound, the voice of creation itself. Even the hum of the bees is a testament to Allah's perfect design.